This video is an example of a multiple-step trigonometry problem where we are being asked to use any of the 5 basic trig formulas. What is the perimeter of triangle PEG rounded to the nearest hundredth? In order to answer the question, of course, I have to know the side length of all 3 sides of triangle PEG. I am going to start with triangle PRE, where we know a 29-degree angle and the adjacent 20-meter side. And we would like to know the opposite side because it is one of the sides in triangle PEG. Using the TOA formula, tan of 29 degrees is equal to x over 20. If I solve this, my algebra will look like this. And I find that side PE is equal to 11.0862 meters, if rounded to 4 decimal places. Next, I will move into triangle AEG, where I know a 36-degree angle and a 21-meter hypotenuse. And I would like to know the adjacent side, which is side EG. This is a CAH situation, and I fill in the CA formula like this. Cos of 36 degrees is equal to the adjacent x over hypotenuse 21. Simplifying, the algebra will look like this. And I find that side EG is equal to 16.9894, again if rounded to 4 decimal places. Next, I am going to work with triangle PUG, where I know a 58-degree angle and 2 sides of 23 meters and 19 meters. This is not a right triangle, so I cannot use SOHCAHTOA. It has to be done with sine law or cosine law. And in a situation where I know 2 sides and the included angle, that is a cosine law situation. Filling in my cosine law formula, it will look like this. Side A, the unknown side, squared, which is side PG, is equal to 23 squared plus 19 squared minus 2 times 23 times 19 times cos 58 degrees. The algebra to solve this will look like this. And will result in A equals 20.6604. That is the measure of side PG, again rounded off to 4 decimal places. Finally, I have to find the perimeter of triangle PEG by adding these 3 values together. And I get a total of 48.7359 rounded off to 4 decimal places. Now, when I'm doing all of these computations, I'm not really rounding off to 4 decimal places. I'm just doing that for the value I write down. I am using the memory of my calculator to keep the entire value without rounding off in order to retain as much accuracy as possible for my final answer. But at the end, the 48.7359 has to be rounded to 48.74 because the question asked to the nearest hundredth. 48.74 meters, then, is the perimeter of triangle PEG.